Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I need an intro, y'all. But yes, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a vlog of me putting my office desk together. I finally got an office desk, y'all. So this is what this video is going to be, me just putting it together. So y'all can just watch me and vibe to the music while y'all watch me and eat y'all snack, eat y'all dinner, whatever y'all doing right now. Just enjoy the video, okay? Well, actually, while y'all watch me, I could talk a little bit because right now I'm not really doing nothing. And for y'all to not click off the video, I'm going to tell y'all some information. So don't click off the video, listen to me for just a minute. I'm going to tell y'all some information. So my website is www.BeautifullyLushed.site. I will leave it in the description box. Any new customers, you will get a 50% off discount code using code GRATITUDE at checkout. We also had dropped our new spring items collection, so make sure you guys check that out as well. We also have other great, amazing skincare essential products that you ladies and men will love. We have majority of women essentials, but men could also have some of the products that we do have in store because they are not scented or have any colorful micas or anything. So you men can also shop as well. I think that's it for right now is what I'm going to say. Y'all, I had to laugh at myself because I freaking put the wrong side the wrong way. So I have to take one side of the dresser apart and redo it over. So that is what I had to do in that clip. I had to fast forward because I was not going to show y'all how I had to take it apart and put it back together. I'm pretty sure I am not the only one who always does this every time building something. I always put one piece the wrong way and I have to take off so much stuff to redo it again. Oh my gosh. Can you all please give us a like and subscribe and a comment saying you go girl and follow our social media.